How are you doing, guys? Another video today for you. Building a cable table and a little voiceover for the whole video. Just kind of going over some things, talking things out. Uh, I'm gonna explain the build video, real quick, and then I'm just gonna kind of yap for the rest of it. Yeah. So the build itself is pretty simple. It's just a cable spool, like one of the big ones you see on like construction sites. Found one on Facebook Marketplace that was for free. Went to Home Depot and bought like 8 boards, maybe. 1x4s. Don't buy the Select; those are more expensive. You buy the cheap ones, and you just find the good ones. You should be able to build this in like, if you have all the tools, it should be under 50 bucks. Cause we just sand the top, sand all the ink off the top, then we just staple all the boards around the perimeter. This is the first one I built. I made a second one. I think it's better if you put a little lip. In the video you see we don't put a lip, but it's kind of dealer's choice. So, hope you guys enjoy the video, and if you don't want to hear me yap, just mute and put some music on. I don't know what to tell you. I appreciate the view if you stay with me. I've never introduced myself. I'm Zach. That's all I'm gonna say. Channel name is kind of up to interpretation. I'll let you guys figure out what it actually, how you want to pronounce it. Little background. I am 22. Did not graduate college. I went for a year for an art degree. Didn't work out, wasn't for me. And then I went for a year of welding. Another thing, I just didn't want to send myself down one field. So that's my background. I'm trying YouTube because I've always dreamt of it. I love YouTube. And I like building stuff. So just making a channel of, learning the trades and hopefully teaching you guys the basics of the trades. So, if ever need be, you have some kind of knowledge or something to fall back on, and I have something to fall back on, that I don't need to rely on other people. For this channel, like I don't know, it's weird to say like the inspirations for my channel, but like the people, just inspirations of the channel, I guess. That's the only way I can describe it. If anyone knows ZNA Productions, they're a great build channel. Wholesome guy, his name's Eli. Mainly weapon builds, but still build videos and just wholesome content. Fanatic's a great inspiration. Not a building channel, but just the way he makes content is high quality and just really cares about the fans and his family. This video honestly is just pretty much Smitty's not 2026 or 2025 replay, because it has film in the background and a voiceover. But hey, inspiration is not plagiarism. So my goal of the channel is, like I said, I'm just trying to build a foundation of the trades. And if I run out of videos of the foundation of the trades, just move up in quality. If I can get to professional level stuff, sure. But at the moment, I am amateur at best. And that's the goal, is we're going to learn as we go. And each project should hopefully get the quality a little better. Currently, I am going for a 6-month sabbatical of unemployment. Sure, we'll say that word, just to seem educated. Basically, I'm unemployed for 6 months to dedicate all those to building this channel. So that means I'm gonna try and get weekly uploads in. I'm gonna try and start posting on Instagram and TikTok and whatnot, if I can ever figure out how to do short form content. Those are the main goals for this channel. I appreciate the views, or actually like exceeding expectations in my book. Never expected to get a video with over 100 views in the first year, but we're consistently getting like 60, which is insane to me. So I'm running long on my yap session, so I'm gonna kind of cut it short. If you want more videos like this, just like leave a suggestion. I will attempt to yap all I want, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave any comments. You guys are growing with me, so I'm learning this channel as the same time you guys are. So I appreciate you listening to the app if you made it this long, and if not, well, at least I got a click. Alright guys and gals, thanks for watching. I really appreciate the views. Stay tuned for next week. Should be a good video, not just another yap session. So thanks for watching. Have a good day, guys.